Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told when a patient receives a penicillin injection, the kidneys begin removing the penicillin from the body. We have a table and graph that show the penicillin concentration in the patient's bloodstream at 5-minute intervals for the 20 minutes immediately following a one-time penicillin injection. We're told that the concentration in micrograms per milliliter in the patient's bloodstream at t minutes after the injection is modeled by the function p, where p of t is equal to 200 times b to the t over 5. We're asked if p approximates the values in the table within 10 micrograms per milliliter, what is the value of b rounded to the nearest tenth? So what we can do here is we have our values for t, time, t minutes after the injection, could be 0, 5, 10, whatever, and our values for p, right, the concentration in this column. So you can plug in any of these values and we will get our value of b. So let's plug in the first point. So our p, our concentration is 200, is equal to 200 times b, t is 0 to the 0 over 5. Divide both sides by 200. These cancel and you get 200 divided by 200 is 1, is equal to b to the 0 divided by 5 is 0. Well, any number to the 0th power is equal to 1. So this point doesn't actually help us because any point would work, or any value would work. So we have to try another one. Okay, we can try this next one, where p is 152, and it's equal to 200 times b, and then t is 5, so b to the 5 over 5. Dividing both sides by 100, or by 200, sorry. These cancel out, we get 152 divided by 200 is 0.76. Just plug that into your calculator. Easiest way to simplify it. This is equal to b to the 5 over 5. 5 over 5 is 1, so this is b to the first power, or just b. We get that our value of b is at 0.76. We're asked to round it to the nearest tenth, so we round this up to 0.8, and 0.8 is going to be our final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video.